Welcome to Echo Speak English. You know, starting a new job can feel a little overwhelming, especially with all the new words and phrases flying around. Don't worry, today we're going to help you master the essentials.
Yeah, seriously? Does it ever feel like you need a special decoder ring just to read your emails? Well, to help you crack that code, let's just imagine it's your very first day at a new job. I'll be your guide showing you around the office. Ready to start?
Okay, I'm ready for my first day. So, this first office, you said it's for the CEO? I'm sorry, what exactly does CEO mean?
That is a great question. So CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer. The easiest way to think of it is they're the #1 leader of the entire company. You know, the top boss.
Oh, I see. So, the big boss. Got it. Okay, let's try saying that together. Repeat with me. CEO. Great. All right, moving on. Next up, we need to get all your paperwork sorted out. You're going to need to send everything over to HR. HR? What's HR?
Good one. HR stands for Human Resources. This is the department that helps all of the employees. They handle things like hiring, your contract, and even your vacation time.
Okay, so HR is for the employees. That's really good to know. Let's practice that one too. Just repeat after me. HR. Fantastic. So continuing our little tour, if you look over there, that group of people, that's our PR team. They're the ones who handle our company's public image. Public image. So PR is all about how the company talks to the public? Exactly, you nailed it. PR is short for public relations. Their whole job is to manage how the company looks to the outside world, through the news or on social media. Okay, so they're in charge of the company's reputation. Got it. Let's practice saying it. Ready? Repeat. PR, perfect.
And this right here is one of our main conference rooms. It's where we often host our VIP guests. VIPs? Does that mean something like special clients?
You got it. VIP means a very important person. So yeah, this could be a major client, a special guest. Really, it's anyone who gets special treatment because they're super important to us.
A very important person. That makes total sense. Okay, let's try saying that one. Repeat after me. VIP. You're doing great.
Okay, now let's switch gears a little and talk about how we measure success here. In our meetings, you're going to hear us talk a lot about KPI and ROI. KPI and ROI? Those sound a little complicated.
Don't you worry. It's actually pretty simple. Let's start with KPI. It stands for Key Performance Indicator. Just think of it as a number we use to check if we're getting closer to our goal. So, if our goal is to sell more stuff, the KPI just measures how much we've sold.
And ROI is kind of related. It stands for return on investment. This one just measures if a project actually made money. If we earned more than we spent, then we have a good ROI. It's all about the profit.
So, really, the easiest way to remember the difference is this. KPI measures your performance, how well you're doing, but ROI measures your profit, how much money you made. Performance versus profit. Simple as that. Okay, we've got 2 more to practice. First, for performance, let's repeat KPI. Great. Now for profit, repeat ROI. Excellent work.
Okay, now you are going to see these abbreviations all the time in emails. For instance, you might get a message that says something like this. FYI, review this ASAP. Budget is NA. What is the ETA? Whoa, that really does look like a secret code. Honestly, I have no idea what that means.
Let's break it down right now. FYI just means for your information. It's like saying, hey, just so you know. ASAP means as soon as possible, which is just a quick way to say do this urgently. NA stands for not applicable, so you can just ignore that part. And ETA is estimated time of arrival, which in this case means when will you be finished?
I see. So that secret code is just a much faster way of saying, hey, here's some information, please do this urgently, but you can skip the budget part. When do you think you'll be finished? That makes so much more sense now.
Okay, let's put it all together. You now have this awesome professional toolkit. Just remember, CEO, HR, PR, and VIP are all about people. KPI and ROI are about performance. And FYI, ASAP, NA, and ETA are going to help you understand your emails and tasks so much faster.
And just like that, you have the key to unlock business English.
With these abbreviations in your back pocket, you are totally ready to understand your colleagues and communicate with confidence.
I have to say, this tour was just as helpful for me as I hope it was for you. And for more guides just like this to help you master professional English, make sure you subscribe to Echo Speak English. We'll see you next time.